Hi, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. I'm learning to use a new device for my videos tonight, so please bear with me if the film is a little silly or unusual. That will be the reason. We're going to talk about probability and data now because that's what's included in Chapter 5 of our math text for Math in Focus for 4th grade. Data is something we're already familiar with, and we know that that's just a fancy word for information. But probability might be something new in the mathematical sense. And we're going to specifically talk about probability as meaning the likelihood that something will happen. I'm wondering if this information is written backwards for you. Hopefully when it films it won't be, but there's a possibility of that. We'll hope to correct that if it's a problem. Probability and data are the topics covered in Chapter 5. We'll be using more tally charts, so it's important that you're familiar with analyzing information that's shown in rows and columns on a tally chart. For example, we've got the weather for some school days. This is make-believe. I don't know if this is actual real data, but we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, windy days and calm days, things that you could show and collect the information, the data, using a tally chart. That's not anything new, but I will show you what a line plot is for. We're going to plot information on a number line. That's why it's called a line plot. And we're talking about some children shooting baskets. We have some basketball throws, and we have a whole bunch of children whose names start with S, and also some children whose names start with B, and then a number of successful basketball shots they've made that we'll be plotting on our number line. That's why it's called a line plot. Here we go with the line plot. We have Sam, Sue, Shad, Sol, and Sid, who have all taken some shots. And we also have Bob, Bill, Bree, Blart, and Buster. And we've made an X above the right number for each person's correct number of basketball scores. Sam shot 7, so I drew an X above the 7. Also, Sue had 7, so there's an X on our line plot above Sue. For Shad, we put an X over the 5. Sol has a 10. Sid is a 6, and so on for the rest of the children. Bob is 6, Bill 7, Bree 9, Blart 9, and Buster 8. When we have all this information, we've got a line plot showing how all the children did when they were shooting baskets. Chapter 5 will include other kinds of data and probability, but a line plot is one of the first ones we're going to discuss. I hope you're feeling comfortable with those. They can be lots of fun and very simple if you concentrate on how they work. Hope you're having a great day. Please remember to be kind. I'll see you at school.